Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of versatility and comfort with the 2026 Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome. A true innovation in practical design and engineering, this camper motorhome sets new standards for reliability, adventure, and everyday usability. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the competitive world of modern RVs. First, let's talk about the interior. Mitsubishi has built a reputation for smart, functional design, and the 2026 Camper Motorhome carries that philosophy forward. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a cleverly optimized living space that balances comfort with practicality. The materials are durable yet stylish, featuring high-quality fabrics, soft-touch panels, and wood-grain accents. The living area includes a compact entertainment setup with a flat-screen TV, a surround sound system, and wide windows for scenic views. The kitchen is designed with efficiency in mind, offering a built-in microwave, a two-burner cooktop, refrigerator, and modular storage solutions for life on the road. The bedroom comes with a comfortable queen-size bed, while the well-designed bathroom features eco-efficient fixtures, giving you convenience without compromise. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome emphasizes both ruggedness and efficiency. Its streamlined, boxy profile is engineered for aerodynamics while maximizing usable space. The exterior finish comes in durable two-tone paint, designed to withstand outdoor adventures and changing weather. A retractable side awning provides shaded outdoor space for camping, while robust alloy wheels and the signature Mitsubishi Triple Diamond emblem highlight its brand identity. Built on Mitsubishi's reinforced lightweight chassis, it offers durability and stability, making it equally suited for long road trips or off-the-grid exploration. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome is powered by a hybrid powertrain that blends efficiency with capability. Under the hood, it carries a 2.4-liter plug-in hybrid engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. This setup allows for extended driving range, lower emissions, and quiet operation when running on electric mode. The advanced suspension system ensures comfort even on uneven terrain, while Mitsubishi's Super All-Wheel Control (SAWC) provides confident handling on highways and back roads alike. The camper also includes intelligent drive assist systems, making maneuvering in campsites and city streets stress-free. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome is positioned as a more affordable option compared to ultra-luxury RVs, with a starting price of around $85,000. This makes it an appealing choice for families, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want the perfect mix of comfort, technology, and Mitsubishi reliability. The price includes its hybrid system, modern amenities, and thoughtful design, ensuring excellent value for those seeking an adventurous lifestyle on wheels. To sum up, the 2026 Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome is a versatile blend of practicality, efficiency, and modern comfort. It's designed to provide a reliable and enjoyable experience whether you're taking a weekend getaway, a cross-country trip, or exploring off-the-grid destinations. With its smart interior, durable exterior, and eco-friendly performance, the Mitsubishi Camper Motorhome is built for those who want to embrace freedom on the open road. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.